Are you ready to discover the world of Colas? With a revenue of $13.2 billion and 57,000 employees globally, Colas has operations in 50 countries. We are a global leader in the construction, maintenance, and recycling of transport infrastructure. With 3,000 material production and recycling units, Colas has a wide range of operations including railway infrastructure, quarries, emulsion plants, asphalt and ready-mix concrete and bitumen plants. We are the leaders in the science of roads. We work hard at cultivating a culture that puts our people first. Caring, sharing, and daring is part of our DNA. These three values have forged Colas's identity and shaped us into who we are today. They take on their full meaning every day as our people do their jobs across the group's job sites and facilities. Colas is leading the way towards a more sustainable world. For almost 100 years, we have innovated to build infrastructures that are always more respectful of the environment. Our mission is to design, build, and maintain a sustainable transport infrastructure from our local roots around the world. At Colas Ireland, we're proud to be Ireland's market leader in the manufacture and provision of sustainable end-to-end road maintenance products, services, and solutions. Our strategy in Ireland is to be Ireland's leading provider of end-to-end solutions in the road maintenance sector. The work we do in Colas Ireland is of great importance. Not only are we ensuring the safety of Ireland's roads, but we're doing this in a sustainable way to secure our future. In fact, sustainability is at the heart of everything we do here in Colas Ireland. Colas Ireland recently launched a new corporate project called Act 2030 to roll out our 8 corporate social responsibility and sustainability commitments towards our stakeholders for implementation now through to 2030. Although engineering and science are at the heart of everything we do here, many varied disciplines contribute to our success, which include civil engineering, quantity surveying, construction management, quality and manufacturing, health and safety, operations and project management. At Colas, we help interns and graduates develop their skills to reach their full potential.
I started a summer job here when I was 16, which got me interested in the creative and design side of things. As a result, I went on to study a degree in graphic design at ATU Galway. I continued to work here part-time, and in my final year, before graduation, I completed a 5-month internship. In my current role, I get to use the skills from my college modules through my work in graphic design, photography, videography, and social media. Every day presents new possibilities, and I always get the opportunity to bring new innovative ideas to senior management.
I came to Ireland from Poland, looking for a better career opportunities. After graduating with a degree in quality from ATU in Galway, I joined the Colas family, and my life has changed for a better. In my role, I ensure we retain our quality management standards such as ISO 9001 and CE mark certifications. Every day I look forward to the new exciting challenges and opportunities that await me. Overall, jobs gives me great satisfaction and I feel truly valued at Colas.
I studied my undergraduate degrees in civil engineering and environmental science in ATU Sligo. As part of these courses, I actually attended an open day here in Colas where my father and uncle were working. After my graduation, I followed in the family tradition and I joined Colas 8 years ago. I've been working as bitumen emulsion engineer. In 2020, I completed a Master's in Road and Transport Engineering. I then went on and worked on the Cork Airport reconstruction project. I am extremely happy with my career in Colas so far. I look forward to working many more years with the Colas team.
I'm in the VIE program and I came from France to Ireland. I joined Colas Ireland this year and I'm working in the HR department as an HR intern. I'm in charge of the recruitment for Colas Ireland. I'm working on group HR objectives such as the development of gender diversity policy. What I really like about Colas Ireland is the fact that I have a lot of autonomy in my role with support of my line manager. I also really appreciate that people are open to new ideas.
Are you eager to learn and progress in an international company that offers exceptional career growth? Do you want to travel the world? As an intern, do you want to develop your skills to reach your full potential? Do you want your first job after you graduate to be the perfect fit for you?
A career at Colas is more than just a job. It is an opportunity for growth and development in a thriving international company. If you are looking for a fulfilling career that offers learning, progression, and longevity, please come and talk to us. We would be delighted to discuss the opportunities we have with you.
Take that chance and look at what we as an organisation can offer you for the future.
To find out more about Colas, please check out our website. Also, please check out our YouTube channel and LinkedIn page to keep up to date with the most recent career opportunities, news, information, and multimedia.